I like trains.
The park ranger just drove by and left.
Oh. That's a... I don't know what horn that is. I think it's a K5HL. I love that horn. Woohoo! I-25, and look, they have their windshield wipers on. This is a coal train. Wow. It's this thing's flooring it. I don't. Nice. 5367. And he's really speeding up. This might be, what's it called? Oh, there's the engine. Mixed for... Oh, it's a K5HL. It's a different K5HL horn. Second generation, I think. I don't know. There it is. Ooh, that's an interesting horn.
No, that's the second horn.
That's a coal train. It's a coal train.
Coal.
Yep. Might be a loaded coal train.
N785? I think it's N785 it said. Radio.
That's a coal train. It's gonna honk its horn again. Oh, it's gonna go to yeah. Is that an old engine?
I don't know. Let me see.
No, it's not. It's a normal engine. Oh yeah. 786 leading. And 3401, and it's loaded coal heading to the old main line. It's a first gen K5HL. Oh, there's an EMD 6457 and another EMD 2230. Yep. Like why? 897. It's another coal train 718. Wait, this might be a rock runner. This is a rock runner. This is a rock runner. Here it is. Train's here. It's a coal. It's coal. Or no, it's a rock runner, I think. I don't know. No, that looks like a rock runner. 718. Hello. 3142. 4. Hello. 968. I did too.
I thought it was me and Brooklyn.
Another second gen K5HL. What?
It made a double check for us.
Oh yeah? 791. 791. I've seen that locomotive before. Double stack intermodal. This might be Q1. Oh yeah, there it is. Rock Runner 718's leading.
Smile. Wait. Move a little bit.
Hello. 718. Right next to us. $760. $950. We've got another train coming. I don't know what it is. This is already our third train. Hoods Mill Road. Oh my gosh! K630, guys. Oh, what an idiot. That is a Canadian Pacific locomotive. Let's go, man! Sorry for foaming. That train... Old Main Line.